In this video, I'll show you around the Clemelopy Workspace. Once you've completed onboarding, you'll see a screen like this. You'll click Explore Your Workspace. When you first sign up for a Clemelopy Workspace, you'll be automatically taken to a tour. You can go through this tour to learn more about each part of the homepage of the Clemelopy Workspace, or you can skip it. If you skip it, note that you can always restart at any time using the button in the Settings page. This is your Clemelopy Workspace homepage. From here, you can create your first map, have an overview of your most recent tasks, answer question of the week, view recent projects, and more. You'll also notice the Orchard Ecosystem Framework. Please make sure you take the time to look through this framework and understand how it fits into the overall ecosystem you're building. Everything inside Clemelopy is built based on this framework. On the left side, you'll see your navigation bar. You'll see My Projects, Linking Strategy, Learn, To Do, Support, Settings, Log Out, an overview of your notifications, and your user information. You can change the behavior of your sidebar in the Settings tab. And that is an overview of your Clemelopy Workspace.